Amigos, it's Senora Davis, and here are your directions for today, February 4th. So we're going to continue practicing with these school supply vocabulary words with two different activities. So our first one is a leer, a reading practice. So you'll click this, and with these puzzle piece activities, what I mean by puzzle pieces, they have this little symbol right here. You can complete these up to 2 times. So if you don't do so well the first time, check your answers, see what it is that you did incorrectly, and then please try it again to get a better score. But for this particular assignment, you are going to read this paragraph and decide which of these vocabulary words best fits in the blanks. So a lot of them are describing rooms in a school. So I'll help you with the first one. We have en el gimnasio hay dos. There are 2 somethings in the gym. Uno para chicas y una para chicos. So there's something in the gym, 1 for girls and 1 for boys. So most likely if you're talking about splitting up boys and girls, you're talking about different bathrooms. So we're going to choose the word baños and switch it up there. So read the rest of those sentences and decide which word best fits in the blank. And I will say on your quiz on Monday over these words, you will have a few multiple choice questions similar to this. So it's very good practice to make sure you're doing that. And like I said, if you don't do too hot on it, check out what you did wrong and try it again. And then second is another puzzle piece activity where you're going to be labeling a classroom. So again, this is set up. If you don't do well the first time, you can do it again. Check your answers and see how you do. So I have a classroom here and some objects are labeled. Now you'll notice that there's numbers on here. I'm not asking you to label everything that has a number, only the things that have a white box. So for this one here, what is this pointing at? This right here, particular pointing at a window. This one's for the door. This one, follow the line. It's a piece of chalk. This one, follow the line. It is a eraser. So you're looking at the line, if there is one, to see what it's pointing at. But not everything that has a line will have an answer, if that makes sense. So you're going to take the vocab word and drag it where it needs to go. So for this one, I'm looking for the word for chalkboard. And so I'm going to drag that word up there. And then the second question that you're going to do is just some translations of your vocabulary. So how do you say these rooms in the school? Type them out. Make sure you include the L or the la, any accents that they might have. And then translating these 5 vocabulary words as well. Again, include the L and the la. I don't believe any of those have an accent, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. And pay attention to your spelling. You have a vocab sheet. Make sure you spell them correctly off of that sheet. And you'll submit that. Check your answers after you submit it. It'll tell you what you did right and wrong. And then if you did pretty poorly on it, please try it again so that you can get the answers correct. And then the last thing that's on here is a music video. I always post a music video every week. Usually I post them on Wednesdays. This week, because we have so much going on with the new semester, I posted it on this Thursday. So it's a music video, Se Te Nota by Lele Pons and Guayna. If you're interested in watching it, you can do so. Just for fun, nothing to do with it, no assignment or anything like that. It's just a fun activity to get you immersed in the language. So if you have any questions that pop up as you're doing assignments, let me know. Have a great day. Adios.